we do have a minor, I guess kind of major setback. We didn't know that Korea requires a visa. So we're at the Narita airport right now, and a bunch of my family's trying to fill out their forms. We had to pay a little over 100 and check off the express fee too, because our flight was supposed to be at 2. It is 12 right now, and they say that you're supposed to at least do it 3 hours before flight. And my friend just told me that it took her literally like a day for her to get accepted. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We might need to take like a later flight, but hopefully all of our applications and like our visa process get processed like ASAP. I try not to stress out, so I'm just chilling here, grabbing a snack and enjoying some matcha while I can. Found a chicken place to eat for lunch. I got really lost coming here, so finally get to eat. We are shopping Myeongdong, and I already bought 2 things from the underground market. Surprisingly, they're so cheap. Right now we're trying to find Nike and going in a whole bunch of shoes. So it is almost nighttime and everybody is setting up their booths for like the night market, which is so cool. Just like crazy how there's like so much food. Designer items, like really cheap bargain items, but there's like underground markets and there's a lot of places that open at 12 midnight, and we're just kind of walking around to see like what deals we can find and if there's anything good. It's worth it.
꺼진 밤하늘 아래 작은 불꽃들이 하나 둘 번져가 여기 동그랗게 앉은 채 이야기해봐. 우리만 아는 노래를 부르고 상상한 모든 게 꼭 이루어질 것처럼 설렘 가득한 미소를 지어 낯선 세상을 걷고 나
Airbnb. So doors right here. You walk into this little alcove, go straight into the kitchen. Pool has a full kitchen, and then there's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the living room, and the bathroom is there. And then me and my sister are sharing a room, and it has a bathroom in ours. So it's actually a really good amount of space. This is our last walk home before we leave tomorrow. So we're gonna drop by some convenience stores and grab some snacks. I didn't film too much today because all we did was go to Myeongdong, do some last minute shopping, and then we got a facial, which I couldn't film, but it's pretty much like they massaged you, did like a whole bunch of skincare, so you can see my skin's kind of glowing, but hopefully, you know, looks good tomorrow. It was $100, which isn't bad, and then me and my siblings did it. You know, just relaxing for leave tomorrow. I have enough time to pack.